Hi, Sanya. Good evening.
हाय औरिक, गुड इवनिंग।
ऐसे कैसे कौन बोलता है, क्यों बोलता है? थोड़ी तंदुरुस्ती मस्ती भी दिखाओ।
यार इतने बाय द वे ये आफ्टर वर्क हो रहा है रिकॉर्ड ये वाला एपिसोड। बहुत ही मुश्किल से एकदम लैपटॉप को हाथ में लेके चलते हुए काम करते करते हो रहा है ये, तो थोड़ा सा मैंने बीटीएस दे दिया है एकदम।
बीटीएस, फिर तो मैं भी थोड़ा बीटीएस दूंगा। आपको अफोगाटो पिलाया गया है अभी तो उसकी
हाँ
एनर्जी
तो
कहाँ गई?
अरे तो वो तो बेयर मिनिमम था आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग डे ऑफ वर्क।
Yes, indeed. In fact, today's episode is all about social popcorn, and there are two kinds of people on the internet: people who only consume and sit and look at their lives to be very sad, or the other kind of people who are creating content and chirpy. And there are the third kinds who don't even create new content, but they look at other content and get supremely happy. Ki, oh wow, my life, by the way.
Yeah, people do that a lot actually.
So what we're going to do in this episode today is we're going to talk about the content that we see on the internet and give our tipnees and our reactions to them. So what do we have, Sanya?
Yeah, so we were basically thinking of some love quotes or memes or something like that, and our reaction to it or our thoughts about it. So we are thinking of making this into a new segment, and we are going to call it social popcorn for now. And this is, by the way, the second last episode of this season. So yeah, we'll continue this. We'll take it forward in the next
as a main feature on our Love Sukh Dhokha video podcast series.
भगवान जिस दिन वीडियो पे हम पहुंच जाए, मैं तो बस बिल्कुल नारियल चढ़ा के आऊंगी, और अब बोल दिया है तो करना पड़ेगा।
People, I have something to say about it, but मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, वो मैं वीडियो पे बताऊंगा ताकि इसका रिएक्शन आपको दिखे. But anyway. All right. So what's the first quote that you see on Instagram?
Okay, so the first thing that I see is, I love talking to you. It's the best part of my day.
Interesting. At some point in time, I would have called it cringy, but I am this person. I'm an ultra romantic person, and yes, indeed, I've realized the grumpier I'm getting in life. At the end of a sad, grumpy, difficult work day, when I hear somebody's voice that I like or love, my day all of a sudden feels much lighter. Or at least that in that moment, a lot of my stress is gone. So yeah, it is true.
Yeah, I actually agree because ठीक है, best part of the day is too much. Again, a little bit cringe. But I think I definitely look forward to talking to my person at the end of the day and hearing their voice. And when people usually get into a relationship, they ask you, what is the communication style, and how about what are we going to do on work days and all of that. So I say talking stage is fine, but when we are in a relationship, आई नो कि भाई सबके काम बहुत ही ज्यादा बिजी है, एंड आई रियली रेस्पेक्ट ऑल ऑफ दैट, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का भी काम बहुत बिजी होता है. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं अंडो तुमसे बात कर सकती हूँ ऑन अ वर्क डे, आई कांट. बट आई बिलीव दैट चाहे कितना भी तुम चाहे बहुत ही ज्यादा कुछ बिजी काम भी करते हो, एंड आई हैव friends and seen people from so many aspects of my, like, who do different forms of types of work. But there is one simple thing which I have observed is ki at the end of the day you have a minimum of 30 minutes window, which if you want to and if you want to prioritize, you can give it to your partner and be like, okay, hum ye last आधा घंटा I'm giving it to you, and we are going to connect on a call. And I'm specifically saying a call and not like text, because to me at least I'm like, okay, I feel like somebody could be fucking someone and texting me, right? So text is very low effort. If you are on a call with me, I'm like, okay. And also hearing someone's voice and a video call is also preferred sometimes, because especially if it is a long distance thing. And even so, because I think the hierarchy is when you look at your person's face, and when you hear their voice, you just feel more connected to any person, in fact, in general, as compared to just text. So for example, अगर ये podcast हम text पे चला रहे होते तो कम आता मजा. Now that, again, I know कि text पे podcast नहीं चला सकता, I'm giving a random example, versus now जब people can hear our voice, our tone, and how we are reacting to things, एक connect आता है. And now imagine all of this with especially my reactions, because my reactions are very, I'm a person who likes to emote. So yeah, matlab wo, so obviously it would be the next level. So
people, the cherry on top with her emotions are her eye rolling skills. So
yes.
but okay, I have a lot to say on this. Especially there's a sister meme or a post that we can say, which I keep seeing a lot, is that looking at your notification on my screen makes me happy, right?
Right.
So for me too, okay. You said that somebody might be doing something nefarious, so yes, calls are important. कि भाई text पे तो कोई भी कर सकता है. But I think when you know your partner in and out, and when you're very secure, and you know for a fact that they're having a difficult day or they're having a very stressful day, and if, even then they can take out their phone and send you a text message, right? Like, hey babe, I miss you. I'm thinking about
that
you.
is also
That
sweet.
is way more valuable than anything else for that matter. But yes, at the end of the
I
day,
agree.
आपको कभी ना कभी तो बात करनी होती है. And this is what I would say. A lot of people say time नहीं है, busy. All of that is bullshit. If you love a person, if you crave them,
Exactly.
if you're craving someone, that is love. If you're not craving them, then it is just a passive क्या कहते हैं existence with somebody.
हाँ.
As simple as
And
that.
पता है क्या मतलब मैंने अपने में तो notice किया even on the busiest of days, of course मतलब I don't have the time to text more often या call पे तो नहीं connect कर सकती during work hours. But even so, there is, I think, if you want to find time, you will find time. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि if I'm having my lunch and if I took those 30 minutes out for myself, that is when I will text and respond back. या फिर after a couple of hours, whenever I'm checking my phone, I will definitely respond back. So if you want to, मैंने तो कई बार लोगों को बोलती हूँ कि अगर किसी को रिप्लाई देना हो तुम्हें तो दे ही सकते
हो. So this is a very controversial thing that I'm going to say, and ये कुछ ज्यादा खिंच जा रहा है, but this is an important topic to bring in because अगर एक लड़का अगर एक सुट्टा ब्रेक ले सकता है ऑफिस से, अगर आप दोस्तों के साथ थोड़ी मस्ती मजाक के लिए टाइम निकाल सकते हो, जोक्स मार सकते हो, आप हंसी मजाक कर सकते हो, आप डेफिनेटली अगर अपने पार्टनर के बारे में सोच रहे हो तो आप उनको एक छोटा सा कॉल तो लगा ही सकते हो. अब अगर आप पैंट्री में जा रहे हो या कुछ भी कर रहे हो,
कॉल नहीं भी तो टेक्स्ट तो डेफिनेटली.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग शेडी. इनफैक्ट लॉट ऑफ गाइज वुड किल मी. दे विल बी लाइक नहीं यार ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. अरे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है तो अगर तुम्हारा एग्जैक्टली. सो अगर कुछ चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है तो यार अगर आप 5 सुट्टे ब्रेक ले रहे हो दिन में, उसमें से आप 2 मिनट क्या कहते हैं एक कॉल पे लगा लोगे तो उसमें कुछ नहीं हर्ज चला जाएगा. एंड इनफैक्ट that is what affirmation is. And if you don't put in effort, my friend, someone like me will sweep her off someday. So बच के रहना.
इस बंदे को एक लड़की नहीं मिल रही है, किसी और की बंदे को भगाने के बारे में बातें कर रहा है.
This is such a wrong thing.
ठीक है, ये मेरा assumption है, मतलब मिल रही होगी मुझे क्या पता.
No, we've spoken about it. I now am very particular about who I'm going to let in my life because at later stages, at my now early 30s, I'm choosing to not be with just anybody frivolously so that it takes a mental toll and emotional toll, and then I have something to build on the side, right? My life and my career is also important, so I don't want a frivolous relationship जहाँ पे वो भसड़ भी है, वो emotional drama भी है. That's why I'm waiting to choose the right people. Not that I've not found people who wanted to get into a relationship or my exes who are wanting to get back, but I'm like, nahi yaar, it's not worth it right now. It's like I need something which is calm, composed, and happy. Anyway, moving on.
Okay, I laughed at the last line. But yeah, let's leave it at that.
Ex
yeah.
Oh my god. She should not believe me. She's like, तेरे में ऐसा क्या कि तेरी ex वापस आती है? भाई.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं, because I know additional details, but yeah, not going to reveal it here.
Okay, what's the next post?
Yeah. So the next one is that grow together type of love. So what do you think about this?
Interesting. This is the most rarest kind of love. In fact, people are so engrossed and busy in their lives and they have their own personal goals and agendas and things to achieve in life, and to stand in a social standing like I am better, and sometimes even partners have competition with each other, right? In that case, when your partner, no matter how busy or incapable, even if incapable in the sense that their genre or their domain of expertise is not the same, they still support you emotionally and they help you to grow and get better in life. I think that is very, very important because in today's day and age, अहम वाली कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज्यादा आ जा रही है. पीपल आर वरीड अबाउट देमसेल्व्स कि मेरा क्या होगा, मेरी लाइफ, मेरी फाइनेंसेस, मेरे फैमिली, मेरा स्टैचर, मेरा सोशल स्टैंडिंग, ये सारी चीजें. इन दैट सेंस अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट टू एक्चुअली not support their friends. A lot of friends ke matlab their partners. But one thing that I wanted to say was in fact in relationships people can always, if get aside and look at their partner as an individual that they want to support and root for and cheer. I think that is the kind of relationship you should look for, because love bhi mar jayega ek din, excitement, everything will die down. What will remain is constant support and wanting for a companionship, and that is what comes with a grow together relationship. And it's very, very difficult to find people with growth mindset or people who are generally building stuff or have a goal, who want to do something big in life, generally have that growth mindset because they know कि एक struggle कितनी ज़्यादा होती है, right? मेरे को ये लगता है कि people in their corporate spheres are not as वो growth oriented because they don't understand, क्योंकि वो एक corporate ladder.
ना ऐसा नहीं है. I'll correct you there. Since I work in corporate, I'll tell you, people who are earning really well, like really, really well in terms of corporate, and are like holding high positions. They are very growth oriented, and they keep switching companies, switching roles just so that they could grow, right?
But
So
they are
I
growth
have,
oriented. Are they asking their partners?
that's what, let me finish. So basically the whole point is they are growth oriented, but then they are only focusing on themselves,
which I was talking about.
right, which is what I'm saying, that आजकल also, see, again, you have to and you should focus on yourself, because simple सी saying है कि if you don't think about yourself, no one else will, because no one else is thinking about you. That is the harsh truth. But I was lucky enough to be in relationships or even friendships where somebody close to me in my life was basically very, very, very supportive of me and my career and where I wanted to go, and sort of pushed me in the, right direction. And even though I would have done all of that anyway on my own, but I noticed that when I had that extra push, I just used to feel more motivated and happier. So, doing whatever I was going to do any which way, but that extra push does help. So I think, especially when it comes from the people that you love and trust, and when they tell you that, you know what, I believe in you. Because see, whenever you are trying to build something or do something, it is a journey, right? And there are ups and downs. So whenever the downs come and you feel like, oh, you know what, probably I should give up. And so if you were alone, you would probably give up or then look for additional motivational sources. But if your partner is that motivational source, or you can just directly go to them, share your feelings with them, and if they pull you up from there, then that is very intimate, and I think that makes a relationship stronger. So I think that is very ideal, and I think both of the partners should be supportive of each other's journey. Also, contrary to this, I would like to bring a point. Basically, a huge red flag in relationships is when your partner does not respect your profession. So see, I believe कि चाहे सामने वाला तुमसे ज्यादा कम जो पैसे कमा रहा हो, चाहे उनका प्रोफेशन तुम्हें ना समझ आता हो, या तुम्हारे हिसाब से वो तो बहुत ही बेकार है चीज करने के लिए, बट yeah, you have to understand this is what this person is doing for a living. It's a huge part of their personality and what they're doing in this world, right? So that is what your work is. That's what something productive that you're putting out there in the world. You cannot make fun of it. So if someone does that, I think that is a major red flag, and you should not stand it, and you should just leave. That is what
you're right. And this is where I was saying that, grow together mindset is very different. So I didn't want to bring it between corporate people or self-employed or business people. वो वाली बात नहीं थी. See, जो मैं कहता हूँ, एक preaching एक चीज होती है, एक बोल के मोटिवेट करना एक चीज होती है, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट टेक दैट मोटिवेशन बिकॉज आप सिर्फ वो बोल रहे होते हो. इट्स लाइक माय स्टैंस ऑन आर्मचेयर पॉलिटिक्स. यार ट्विटर पे, सोशल मीडिया पे बस बोलना कि ये गलत है वो गलत है डज नॉट मेक सेंस. इफ यू आर अ यंग इंडिविजुअल हु कैन एक्चुअली गेट डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ अ पार्टी एंड और फॉर्म अ न्यू पार्टी और डू समथिंग ऑन ग्राउंड एज अ सोशल वर्कर टू चेंज समथिंग अबाउट सोसाइटी, तब दैट मेक्स मोर सेंस देन जस्ट शाउटिंग अबाउट इट. यस, shouting about it, talking about things also makes things move forward, but that is not all that you need. A growth together mindset jo that I can perceive is somebody who makes the sacrifices needed. Let's say, for example, if my partner needs something and I have an important meeting, but if I can cancel that and support them to take them to do something, that is where this is the highest level of growth together वाला, कि आप हाथ पकड़ के साथ चल रहे हो, सिर्फ किसी को धक्का नहीं दे रहे हो, आप पुश नहीं कर रहे हो, वर्बली आप चीख नहीं रहे हो एज अ कोच की जा दौड़ ले 100 मीटर दौड़ ले और मेक इट अ लिटिल फास्टर.
मैं एक बात बताऊं, हाँ, होता क्या है कि आजकल के जमाने में ये पुश करने वाली चीज भी जो बेयर मिनिमम लग रही है, नहीं नैगिंग, हाँ वो तो उसका नेगेटिव साइड है, बट बेसिकली वो पुश करने वाली जो चीज है वही नहीं मिलती है. तो जो तू बोल रहा है ना, दैट तो इज above levels above of what you're saying. So मुझे ये जब तू बात कर रहा था तो मुझे वो वाला सीन याद आया. So if people, I don't know if they've watched Friends or not, but if anybody has watched Friends, there was this one episode where so Ross and Rachel obviously dated and then they broke up, but they still continue to be friends. So there was this scenario wherein Ross had like a very important work thing, and he was going to, so he was a paleontologist and he was going to get featured in a on like TV on Discovery Channel, which is a huge deal. And he was दिखाते हैं उस पूरे episode में कि he was picking out suits to wear and all of this, very excited about it, but because of course that's a great opportunity. So he was probably उसका कुछ time होगा कि इस particular time पे he had to reach his workplace to record that thing. But then just a couple of hours before that, he ends up meeting Rachel because again, उनका just scenario दिखा है, they keep bumping into each other because all of them share आसपास घर है वैसा. So he meets Rachel and Rachel का पिछले दिन ऐसे वो गिर गई होती है रास्ते में. So she had a pain in her rib cage. So she thought that she could ignore it and she was ignoring it. But then वो देखता है that oh my god, okay, she's in pain and she was एक point of time के बाद वो बिल्कुल एक आर्म भी move नहीं कर पा रही है and all of this is happening in front of him. And yeah, so what happened to you? And she said कि okay, मुझे ना pain हो रहा है. And Rachel was also supposed to go to like a work party to socialize and make connections and all of that. So she said कि you know what, मेरे को इस party में जाना ही है. And Ross was like, yeah, first go to the hospital. And she said, नहीं बाद में चले जाऊंगी. Anyway, so he told her कि you know what, let me put you in a cab and like go to the hospital, just get it checked out. And then even though they have broken up, but again they have feelings and for each other, matlab obviously good friendly feelings, but Ross is shown to be like the nice guy. So and Rachel does not know anything about Ross's work thing, otherwise she would not have said anything. So then Rachel says, oh, what you are going to put me like in a very sweet way कि जब obviously इंसान की तबीयत खराब होती है तो लगता है मेरे साथ कोई चले. तो she said, oh, you're putting me in a cab, can you please come with me? ऐसे ही वो प्यार से बोलती है and he looks at the time and उसको realize होता है कि if I go with her to the hospital, I would not be able to make it to my work thing. So he tells her, you know what, let me just make a call. Of course, I'll go with you to the hospital. And बाद में जब वो पूरी चीज हो जाती है and फिर वो hospital से आ जाते हैं and उसके बाकी friends पूछते हैं कि oh, how did that discovery thing go? And he says, oh no, never mind. So then Rachel says, oh, what are they talking about? And then Ross says कि वो ऐसा ऐसा था. तो वो बोलती है अरे मुझे पहले बताता तो I would have obviously not asked you to come. So he said, no, this just seemed more important. So मैं basically ये पूरी story इसलिए share कर रही थी because this what you just said is that level of stuff. And I don't at this point and is day and age में I do not expect anybody to do that for me because frankly speaking, I don't know if I would do the same, and it's just expecting too much from someone. But at the same time, the bare minimum is you supporting your partner and believing in what they are doing.
As you were saying this, if people could see my expression, my ribcage was actually hurting. I want to say a lot about this. मेरे को एक तो ये बोलना है कि in a relationship, see, communication is very important, and both the people should know what their personal goals are and professional goals are, right? And they should always be aligned कि मेरे life में ये होने वाला है. So in that case, nobody gets caught off guard कि अच्छा ये है. Obviously, अगर life threatening decision आता है, पैर टूट जाता है या बच्चा ही होने वाला है, फिर तो आप फिर भी सोच सकते हो. But you can still have support system in place, and if a partner knows something is supremely important for you, they will find ways of supporting you with that because this is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you miss it, it could lead to you not getting it for the next 3 years, 5 years, right? Then why would you do that? So I think personal issues aside also, if a partner is supporting you with difficult times and they're ignoring their pain and then they're like, तू जा कोई बात नहीं, मैं कैब ले लूंगी या मैं किसी और के साथ चली जाऊंगी, I think that makes a lot of sense, and that is why I'm talking about growth. And I understand that today I've become this person who is very high level partner stuff जहाँ पे a lot of expectation that I want. I'm a giver and all of those things, jokes भी बन चुके हैं, I'm a liver and a giver type वाला thing. But I understand that, but I remember my older self and मतलब younger self, naive self जहाँ पे I have also overlooked my partner's need, and today through a lot of heartbreaks and a lot of sad and lonely days, I've realized that if my partner didn't support me, I would not feel supported. I don't think I would be able to reach where I am. So that's why I am now the kind of person who tries to support everybody, even my friends or acquaintances. But yeah, it is very important. So growth, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि it's not just affirmations and मैं तेरे लिए कैब बुक कर देता हूँ. Sometimes it's about being there in person and holding hands and walking together. That is a little bit rare. Anyways, what's the next?
Yeah. So the next one is we could literally spend the whole day together and I'll still miss you the moment you leave. This is where I actually did an eye roll because, oh my god, cringe level pro max.
By the way, okay, so see, withdrawal symptoms is a real thing, and because I'm a super romantic puppy-eyed lover, मेरे को ऐसा feel होता है. For a split second, could be for the next 5 minutes, the moment I drop my person and go, I'm like, यार बुरा तो लग रहा है यार, मतलब why do I have to leave and go? It is a real feeling, and I would certify कि yes, ऐसा होता है. इसमें रोल करने की बात नहीं है. तुम्हारे लिए जब कोई करेगा ना कि BB I miss you, I'm having withdrawal syndrome, तब तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
तब भी मैं आई रोल करूंगी because वही बंदा 6 महीने बाद okay I want to break up with you, I'm done with you बोल के जाएगा.
So people have
None
different
of this
reasons to
is
break up, but in the
real,
moment, what if
yaar.
somebody says कि यार मेरे को तो हाँ तेरे से दूर जाने से problem होती है.
Cringe. Oh my god, codependency pro max.
Anyway, I want to put it out there on the internet that ये कह रही 6 महीने बाद a lot of my relationships have been more than 2 years. My longest relationship has been 5.5 years of the recurring person. That's a story for another time. But yeah, I do long term relations. That's why I'm super romantic and I believe in this thing. कि ऐसा होता है when you're truly engrossed in your person. You're like, why do we? And see, generally this also happens much when you're much younger. My naive younger self would be like, oh no, because तब आप young होते हैं आपको लगता है कि सारा energy सारे time आपको उनके साथ चाहिए. When you become older, you're like कोई बात नहीं. Now, so one of my ex's girlfriends mother loved me so much. She's like, और एक हमेशा मेरी बेटी को 10 बजे घर छोड़ देता है because उसकी मम्मी का कट ऑफ भी था and she used to want to go back home also and I used to on dot क्या कहते हैं always before 10 I used to drop unless हाँ कुछ event है जहाँ पे हमको 11-12 बजे तक रुकना है तो mother knew but otherwise like ये तो time पे छोड़ता है because I know for a fact कि अगर आप किसी के साथ हो and if it's a good relationship and if it's a secure one कल फिर मिल लेंगे यार परसों फिर मिलने वीकेंड में मिल लेंगे कहाँ दुनिया कहाँ चली
वही
जा
तो
रही है
इसीलिए this is why what makes this cringe.
no but the cringe part is not that the thing is कि feeling आनी चाहिए if it is not then you're too way too detached भाई कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता
नहीं तो तुमने पूरा दिन तो साथ में स्पेंड किया और क्या करना है मतलब
इनफैक्ट वही तो कि अगर आप सारा दिन के बाद भी अगर किसी को क्रेव करते हो तभी तो आप उनको बहुत ज्यादा क्रेव करते हो नहीं तो यार हो गया ना फिर तो
that feeling is short lived. Let me tell you.
All right, pessimism. I sense and smell pessimism. Okay, so the next one that I would say is I miss my home. Oh, I mean you.
हाँ ठीक है. I have also written about this, like tweeted about. But I mean, you know, when you truly love someone, you feel like that is your home. In the sense, home के साथ तुम क्या associate करते हो? The feeling that you love. You feel loved, you feel comfortable, and you feel like you belong here. And safe, yes, safe and comfortable, basically. So those two emotions are, I think, very strong which you strongly associate with a home. So मैं तो ये definitely मानती हूँ कि वो होता है ना कि मतलब तुम चाहे बाकी पूरी दुनिया की जितना भी कुछ है जो भी चल रहा है मेस चल रहा है जो कुछ भी चल रहा है you are handling it yourself and जो भी you are doing it. But at the end of the day, yeah, in general, if you have that person, just being in their arms gives you peace, or just probably hearing their voice, or just talking to them, or sometimes just a simple hug, at least in my case, gives me peace and comfort, and I feel like I am home. That is the feeling that I get because मैं शांत हो जाती हूँ. That's what you associate with your home. So yes, I definitely believe this, and I think it's a very true test. If you don't feel like that basically I think this is the highest level of comfort, and if you don't feel that level of comfort with the person that you are with, I think you should reevaluate because I think that you need to feel like they are your family, they are your home.
Yeah, absolutely. Now you've spoken like a true romantic. So yeah, I also believe that all of these are very important. The person should make you feel home. Also, another thing, for a lot of people who go out and are very social and otherwise very ambitious, they have to fight a lot of battles outside, right? One place that you need calm and quiet and a soothing क्या कहते हैं, effect is your home. And if a person can connote that and denote that, I think that is the supreme amount of love that you can find in someone. Because see, आपको हंसी मजाक करने वाले बहुत मिल जाएंगे, वन लाइनर्स पिकअप लाइन सुनाने वाले बहुत मिल जाएंगे, बट आपको शांति और सुकून देने वाला बहुत कम मिलेगा. Somebody who mixes sabr with that, right? Like I've seen a lot of these going around, sabr and sukoon. I'm like, somebody who's patiently waiting to
Yeah,
be
I agree.
with you and is with you when you need them is the best kind of feeling ever.
Yeah, I remember my mom telling me one day, she was like, ऐसी मतलब I for me, like it's like my mom is my best friend. So I discuss a lot of things with her, and I was talking about different people in my life and क्या हो रहा था क्या नहीं हो रहा था, and she just paused and said, and she's like, you know what, you have people in your life who create more ruckus, and there is no one who gives you peace at this point. So that is what I'm saying. So if one person does give you peace and takes it all away in like an instant, that is like a huge thing. So
Interesting.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is be with someone that loves you loudly, publicly, privately, and behind your back. And oh my god, plus 100 plus 1000 to this statement. What do you have to say about this?
No, no, because you said plus 1000, you go and you say what you think about it.
तो बेसिकली यार मतलब the point is, yes, I am a huge supporter of actually loving your person, uh, this exact statement, like loudly, publicly, and behind your back, basically says that you're not afraid to show your love in front of other people. That means you have made them a part of your social life. Your parents know about them, your friends know about them. That is very, very important. And it is not something that is, obviously privately is yes, because then you have your own moments as well. Because I feel कि भले ही पूरी दुनिया के सामने एक वो है कि okay ठीक है, you guys are together, but when you are with each other, that's like a different thing. So that is, yes, you are supposed to love the person when you are together. It should be just the two of you. And behind your back is the ultimate level of, I think, friendship or love, because it is when people defend your name when you are not in that room. That is the level of love or respect, I would say. It's about respect then that I would expect off of my partner, and I would do the same. So yeah, I totally agree with this statement.
Interesting. I would say that yes, behind your back पे पहले address करेंगे. It doesn't have to be they talking about you or defending you. It can all be mentioning you or remembering you in public and giving
Yes,
you the
that
right
too.
what if call the right appreciation for who you are as a partner in front of everybody else. That my person does this or my person has done that. In fact, if somebody
Speaking highly of you.
speaking highly of you,
Yeah.
yes. And to the whole loudly and publicly, yes, I am generally that person who's like who used to be very loud in public. सबको दुनिया को बताएंगे. If I'm in love, the world will know that I'm in love with that person. There is not one soul who will not know. But then over a period of time, I've realized कि ज़्यादा
And
बोल
then
के
there
नजर
are
भी-
people who won't even post you on their
Yeah, yeah.
stories.
so exactly. So loudly in the sense. So now I would reevaluate. When I was younger, it was loudly and publicly. Now it is more of yes, publicly people know that I'm with someone. I am loud about my gestures to my partner, maybe not publicly. I am also very private that we have a chemistry that nobody is privy to.
Yeah.
That is our own safe space. As a couple, we know who we are and what we do, which it's like an inside joke, right? That is what we have, and that is what privately means, and that's one thing that nobody ever can take or touch, right?
Yeah.
That is the most intimate thing that you can do. And I'm not talking about physical intimacy. It could be something, a simple joke or an inside joke or a goal that you both share, right? So loving each other privately for who you are, and it's only privy to the both of you. That is very important. But yes, publicly announcing that yes, this is my partner, and being proud of them, because a lot of people are not proud of people of who their partners are, right? And in that sense, मेरे को लगता है you should not be with those people. If you're not proud of somebody you can't stand by and be seen with. I don't think that's real kind of thing.
I
think
agree.
क्यों ही आप उस रिश्ते में हो? So it's like
Yep.
stupid. Okay, what do we have next? Let's pick something juicy. Oh, okay.
Okay. So my weakness is that I can't be angry with you for a long time.
Interesting.
That is actually a more deeper topic, I mean.
It is juicier.
No, not juicy. This is see. So I think this is a mixed bag. Depends. मतलब कई बार मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि again also depends on the issue, right? So if it was a stronger issue, then it cannot be resolved like this. But if it is like a smaller issue, then I'm sometimes like, if my person just says sorry in like a sweet voice and hugs me, I would be like, okay, ठीक है यार, नहीं लड़ना मतलब. That is enough, right? Because anyway, I am sort of the person who believes that not all fights are worth picking up, because क्यों इतनी energy लगानी है. But when there are deeper issues which are beneath that, then I think you should take your time to resolve your conflicts and the issues underlying it. So I don't think time is how you would measure it then. So even if it takes you hours and hours to resolve it, please put in those hours, because if you brush things under the rug, that does not end well ever. So yeah.
Okay, let me read the statement. It is, my weakness is that I can't be angry with you for a long time. Okay, first of all, it's not a weakness, it's a strength, right? To be able to come back to your partner and still be in love with them, even though they have done something that hurts you, something that has shamed you a little. Could be anything for that matter, right? If you have love for them, you will understand that they are also human. yes, unless it's a habit, it's a thing that they do often, it's a personality trait, then you probably can't forgive them. But if it's an honest, genuine mistake that somebody's done, or something that they've done out of, unknowing something, then it's all right. In fact, uh, ये समथिंग यू सेड कि कोई आके सॉरी बोल दे, आई थिंक इवन विदाउट सॉरी, इफ यू आस्क फॉर अ सॉरी कि यार अगर तू मुझे सॉरी बोल देगा मैं शांत हो जाऊंगी, यू कैन आल्सो डू दैट. इसमें कोई ईगो वाली बात होनी नहीं चाहिए.
अगर
कौन इसको करता है?
वो बात
आई
नहीं
एम
है
दिस पर्सन,
जिसकी
इरिस्पेक्टिव अगर मेरी बंदी की गलती है, मैं खुद जाके बोलता हूँ कोई बात नहीं, सॉरी कि तू गुस्सा है, शांत हो जाते हैं. आई डोंट ब्रिंग दैट इशू अप कि तूने ये करा, मैंने ये करा, तूने ये बोला. So resolve it, and if it's a deep rooted problem, or a problem that is going to pertain and is going to be making you unhappy in the longer term, then talk about it, but maybe not in that instance. Get a nicer mood to talk all of these deeper things. Don't.
वो तो conflict resolution is a deeper topic, which is why I said we can talk about it separately actually.
Yeah.
So
Let's take a
okay,
last one here.
the last one is she fell in love with God and he sent a man who fell in love with her. Oh my God, I wish this was on video because I roll.
See, I
Huge
rolled,
eye roll.
but I am also conflicted about
Oh,
this. I think that you know what, God is something which is very controversial. A lot of people believe, a lot of people don't. But what I would say is, imagine God as a higher power. It could be the universe, or could be your higher self, or your higher consciousness. If you give in to something that you think makes you better, then something better will be attracted to you, is something that I absolutely believe in. In fact, a lot of people ask me, Auric, why are you doing this? Why you do this? Abhi to tu kisko date bhi nahi kar raha. Oh, why are you like this? I'm like, what, I am going to be selectively overnight become the best person that my partner deserves? ऐसा नहीं होगा ना. It takes years of practice on my part also to be the best deserving thing that my partner has. So in that case, yes, when you better yourself, then you can definitely find somebody better. And when you give in to the whole journey of you discovering yourself and being happy with the higher self of yourself or another entity जिसको आप देख के emulate कर रहे हो, प्लीज आप वो बनो, आपके पास सही पार्टनर आ जाएगा एक दिन. आई एम श्योर, एंड आई विल गिव इट टू यू इन राइटिंग, बिकॉज गुड थिंग्स ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट गुड थिंग्स, नेगेटिव थिंग्स अट्रैक्ट नेगेटिव थिंग्स. इट्स अ लॉ ऑफ नेचर.
हाँ, but कई बार it's the quite opposite. But हाँ ठीक है,
How is
मतलब
the opposite?
also she fell in love with God and he said, I mean, again, first of all, what has God to, मतलब इसका क्या लेना देना भगवान से, मेरे तो फर्स्ट ये नहीं समझ आई बात. ऑल्सो ठीक है, हाँ मतलब हायर पावर, यूनिवर्स, डेस्टिनी बोल सकते हैं. तो आई डेफिनेटली बिलीव दैट वेन एवर टू पीपल मीट, there is and it could be any connection, not just love connection, even your friends, your longest friends. Just think about it. You two were placed, or you did something, both of you did something at the same time, right? So even if it is a swipe and you talk to someone, both of you decided to swipe and then both of you decided to talk. You could, हो सकता है उस दिन तुम्हारा मूड खराब होता और सामने वाले का अच्छा होता, and you guys otherwise would have connected, but you did not, because it just wasn't meant to happen. People you go to school with, college with, I feel destiny plays a matter. For example, one of my very close friends from college had, मेरा 36 roll number था, उसका 38 था. So in like college, you are placed roll number wise sort of. So हम बहुत सारे, we got to talking and we became really good friends because we had roll numbers. Can you believe, of all of the things, roll numbers which were right next to each other? If not for those goddamn roll numbers, we would have never even met, and I would not have met one of the best people I think in my life. So that is what I'm saying. So destiny is definitely involved. So ठीक है, partly I would agree कि I mean, God बोल लो या higher power बोल लो, तो ठीक है, if you believe in something, and if you believe that probably you will find, I mean, hasn't happened with me, but ठीक है, probably if you believe in it, maybe sooner or later it happens to you. But I don't, मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता ऐसा direct correlation है. All I believe is in कि destiny is involved somewhere. So हाँ.
And I would say, and in continuation, and this is the last bit that I'm saying, उसके बाद हम close करेंगे episode को, कि if you are at the right frequency, then only can you match with somebody else's frequency. Because imagine if you're angry and unsatisfied and unhappy in life, anybody who's happy and content with themselves, you're not going to align with them, because you're like, यार ये तो कितना ही positivity vibe दे रहा है, कितना optimistic है, दुनिया इतनी optimistic नहीं है. That is where the disconnect will be, and that is why it is important that whenever you want to find the right person, you be in the right sync. You be in the right frequency. When you are happy, only when you can want to have happy people. Now, if imagine you are in a pessimistic mood and you find another pessimistic person and you bond with them, that is the worst kind of relationship, instant
I
toxicity.
know.
Right? So that's why it is very important to align yourself with something, some goals or some higher thing. Could be just a motto, could be a mission, could be a vision, right? Align with something, be a better self, be a better version of yourself, and only then will you be able to conjoin with somebody happily.
Yeah, I agree. That is right. Chalo, on that note, let's close this. I think this was a very fun episode, and I would definitely see this as like a feature going forward.
Yeah,
I would like
for
to.
sure.
Okay, so thank you for listening. Bye.
Bye, people.